Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Dashcam Tesla Model 3 full guide. Plug a properly formatted USB drive into the front port, make a Tesla cam folder, and enable Dashcam and Sentry mode in control safety. Check recording icons on the top bar and test by pressing the Dashcam icon to save a clip. Keep a spare formatted drive handy and rotate files periodically to avoid drive wear and maintain reliable recordings. Format your USB drive correctly before use to ensure the car can write video clips reliably. I recommend FAT32 for drives under 32 GB and XFAT for larger drives, then create a Tesla cam folder at the root. Insert the drive into the front USB port until the Dashcam icon appears on the screen. Test by saving a clip and review playback in the gallery to confirm successful setup and recording status. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. Quick recommendation: the product shown helps you stay refreshed during long setup sessions, so consider picking one up from the description to stay comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Dashcam features are easy to use once enabled, and they provide crucial footage when you need it most. Use the Dashcam icon to save recent events manually, or rely on automatic saves for impacts and hard braking. Review and manage clips from the gallery, where you can export to a computer or delete unneeded files to free space. Regular checks keep your recordings organized and the system ready for the next event.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.